Hi everyone, it's Edie, your video and YouTube strategist, and I wanted to come in today and talk to you about how you can set up your YouTube channel for success. One of the common mistakes that I see with a lot of people that are new to using YouTube is that they don't take the time to really set up their channel. They just immediately start uploading videos and they don't really pay attention to their home page. And I want to bring attention to this specifically because I view the channel homepage as the equivalent to your website. So if you're going to pay a lot of attention and even hire somebody outside to create your website, you want to take that time and make sure that you're creating your YouTube channel the same way. So you want your YouTube channel to be an extension of your website. So you want to definitely have the same branding that you have on your website, and you want to use the same colors, but you want to go a step further with your YouTube channel, and you want to give them information on this homepage when they land on here so that they'll know, okay, I'm in the right place. This person is going to be able to help me, and I'll be able to gather all of the information that I need just from looking at the homepage. So the first thing that we look at is your channel art. That is really, really important. You want your channel art to convey your brand colors as well as it should contain your logo. So in this example, this is one of my clients. She's a relationship coach or a love and dating coach. And so this channel art conveys her logo, which is engaged at any age. It tells you how often she's posting videos, which are new videos weekly. She doesn't say how often. She did start off doing it like 3 times a week and then ended up only doing it 1 time a week. And that was because she didn't know what she was going to end up focusing on. So we just said new videos weekly. You can say specifically what days of the week you're going to be posting, or you can say 1 video each week or 2 videos each week, or however often it is that you want to mention that. The other most important thing that I wanted to bring your attention to is this area over here. And this is an area that a lot of folks tend to ignore and not realize that they really need to focus on. And this area is great real estate on YouTube. It's one of the few, if not the only platforms that encourages you to share your other social media platforms that allow a viewer to click on and immediately go to that channel. The other thing that they do is they offer you the opportunity to put in a link, a custom link that will take viewers again away from YouTube, but that can help you build your email list. So this is an opportunity for you to use this space if you have any kind of a freebie, and think of a freebie. Even if you don't currently have one, create a freebie. It could be a chapter from a book if you have recently done a book. It can be a checklist. It can be a video series. It can be any number of things that will encourage someone to click on it. And it could be and should be something that would be enticing, that would make sense for the audience that's coming to your channel, so that they could say, oh, well, I have to have this, or I have to do this. In my client's case, she actually does a really cool quiz, and she interchanges her opt-in with other things. Sometimes it might be some sort of a freebie that's a book, or a chapter of a book, or something else. In this instance, it happens to be a quiz. The other thing that you want to do is, when you do have that link available and you want to drive traffic to it, you need to make it noticeable. So here you see I have take the quiz, and then I created, instead of just having a regular arrow, because she's a love and dating coach, I chose to use Cupid with his arrow and point it towards her freebie, which is her soulmate IQ quiz. So this is definitely something that you want to do so that you can make sure that you attract the right people and that they know that they're in the right place. Now I'm going to quickly share with you some others. This is another coach, client of mine. She's a virtual assistant coach, and so you can see what her channel art looks like. I'll show you mine real quick, and that's how mine looks. And then I'll show you one other one, and that's how hers looks. So the other thing that you want to pay attention to is when people start to scroll, you want to make sure that you're keeping them there. So entice them. In this instance, this is the way that her channel looks, my client's channel looks. If you have already subscribed to her channel, it's not going to have a welcome trailer on there. It's only, the welcome trailer is only there, and I'll show you what the welcome trailer looks like. That's where the welcome trailer would be. This trailer would only be here if somebody is brand spanking new to your channel and they've never appeared on your channel before. And then from there, all the rest is pretty much the same on all of the other channels. You want to group your playlists that are most enticing and that will bring in people to say, oh yeah, I want to watch, and then just keep watching. So you want to encourage binge watching because that's what YouTube is known for. And so you want to make sure that you're putting playlists on there that people are going to gravitate to and that they're going to be interested in and want to see one after the other. On mine, my focus initially used to be more YouTube based. Now I'm going to get into more video creation based. So my channel's about to change. I'm actually in the process of redoing my trailer. I just redid some channel art. I might tweak it again a little bit, and then I'm going to completely revamp my homepage. But overall, I want you to walk away with understanding that the way that you need to look at your homepage, your channel homepage on YouTube, is the way that you look and think about your website. It is a representation of you. You're not there. You're not able to tell them and direct them where they need to go. So once they get onto your channel, they need to be able to see that flow and see, more importantly, that this is the channel for them, that they've landed on the right page. So if you have any questions about your channel or your channel art, please feel free to post them in the comments below. I look forward to hearing and reading them, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.